guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do my makeup, how I do my hair, and yeah, get ready with me. Okay, let's get ready from a 0, hopefully to 100. I'm going to start off with the base. I look a bit rough today, but I just want to say that I just woke up, but I actually didn't. But it feels like I just woke up. I'm going to moisturize my face with the Erno Laszlo Hydrotherapy Gel Cream. And I use quite a lot because I have very dry skin. I don't know what this hair is, but it feels like it's a bird's nest. I'm going to use my natural beige concealer from Too Faced. Lately, I have pretty dark circles. I think it's because I sleep way later than I usually do, and I wake up very early, so, you know, can really see it on my face. Still using the same concealer, I'm kind of going to highlight and cover some parts of my face. I'm using the same brushes for so long, like I have so many brushes, but I still have to clean them. But, you know, I really need help cleaning them. It's just so much. So I'm going to use the same concealer, but this is in the shade Porcelain. I don't know. I'm highlighting some parts of my face even more just because we're going in with foundation later on. So you won't be able to like really see it anymore. Okay, I like that. I'm going to use cream contour. Yesterday I've used the Butterscotch concealer from Huda Beauty and I mixed it with the color Honey from Too Faced. This shade, Honey, is such a beautiful shade to contour your face with. It's not too ashy, it's not too warm. It's like the perfect color to contour. But because I'm wearing a fake tan, you won't be really able to see it on my face. So that's why I'm going to mix it a little bit with this Butterscotch Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer. And, you know, mixing these two is going to give you a beautiful, warm, it just looks amazing. The Butterscotch concealer on its own looked extremely orange and warm. So I went in with this one to, you know, save the look, and I ended up really liking this combo. So I'm just, by the way, this is from LA Girl, and it's really handy because you can just put everything on here and mix it instead of your hand. I'm going to use this brush from Huda Beauty, which I use almost every day. Jawline. Right here. Okay, sides of the forehead, which is my favorite thing to do. Since I have like a heart shape face, I really like to contour right here to make it look like I have a smaller forehead. The foundation that I'm going to use is from Summer Kusami. This is in Divine Matte shade 45. I usually use number 40, but the other day it looked pretty light on my skin. You guys probably know that I live for a fake tan. I'm all about fake tanning because, you know, since I'm doing laser removal, I can't really go like sunbathe. But I do have to say that I find it actually a bit confusing when it comes to picking out shades for my base and even lips and eyes. So like still have to like search for a good combo. But let's try this shade 45. Okay, and I'm just going on top of everything, not really blending it yet, but just dabbing. So I'm blending everything. Last time I did this technique, you know, like contouring before applying foundation, I felt like I applied a little bit too much foundation. So I ended up seeing nothing from the contour. And now I feel like I applied a little bit too much again. But let's just see what happens. On this side, I applied a little bit too much foundation. Going to reapply a little bit of this concealer from Too Faced. Now I'm going to bake my face with the banana bread powder from Huda Beauty. Okay, like that. Oh, it's so scented. Like I really love Huda Beauty products, but the scent is just too overwhelming sometimes. I'm going to set my under eye area with the Huda Beauty powder in Pound Cake. So same powder, different shade. Going to use my favorite bronzer in the whole wide world. It's so beautiful. Jouer Cosmetics Soft Focus Hydrate. It's actually a powder, but this is in shade dark. And I'm out of breath because I just ran down the stairs and went up again. Okay, and I'm using my Zoeva powder brush. Just going to bronze up a little bit more and set the places where we've contoured. Okay, and I'm also going to get rid of the bake like that. Okay, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty flawless. For blush, I'm going to use Coralista blush. This one from the Cheek Leader palette from Benefit. I'm still using the same brush. Oh, it's too light. Okay, this is a palette from LA Girl. This is Island Hottie blush palette. Beautiful palette, and I think I'm going in with a mix of these two. So the blush is not going to look super bright, but more natural. I'm actually going to use a smaller brush. This is Makeup Addiction in Precision Highlighter. So hopefully it will get a little bit more pigment. It's a pretty dark color, but I do see, you know, a bit of blush, but not like, I don't know. Okay, so this is one of the darkest blushes I have. This is Make You Mine from MAC. So let's try this one. Yes. So you see it a little bit more. I always apply my blush a little bit more on the apples of my cheek, more towards, like more upwards and more towards the, like right there. But for some reason it didn't really look good when I would go in with my highlighter. Now I'm applying it a little bit more down, like right here. And I do think that looks better with my face shape. So maybe you should give it a try. I do like it way better. Like right there. This is even like a little too high for me now. To melt everything into each other, I'm going to use this Rose Gold Skin Mist from Versali, which I really, really love. Brows are done. I am going to use a new palette today. This is Tan Lines from Jouer. I've never used this, and since I'm not really into, you know, doing a colorful look today, I'm going to concentrate on these colors right here, starting with Beige Aholic color. I'm going to put this into the crease with my Sigma Taper Blending Brush, which is a very good brush. I want this look to look natural, so I'm not even going to apply a lot of eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with the Driftwood, which is a little bit darker right here. And I'm going to use my MAC 224 brush for this. And just blending it. Okay, I'm not sure if it's me, but the eyeshadows are a bit powdery. So they're not really blendable. I'm going to use a little bit of the Sandalwood from the Huda Beauty, what was this called? Rose Gold palette, this one. Let's see if I can blend this a bit more. Yes. See, this one is so blendable and so creamy. I did like the color of the Jouer one, but I do find the eyeshadows a bit dry. Okay, I'm dipping a tiny bit into Cocoa, and I'm going to put that in the crease as well. So right in the crease, because I don't want this look to be too dark, but I want to have something going on. I'm taking this medium angled shading brush and going in with the shade Sandalwood mixed with Cocoa. I'm going to place this on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking a smaller brush. This is a Sigma Detailed Diffusing Crease Brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade Cocoa again, and I'm just going to like slightly darken up the outer edges. Not really darken up, but like make it more smoky. On my eyes, I'm going to use this shade Blessed. I'm just going in with my fingers. I'm just going to dab it on my eyelid. I don't want it to look super shimmery, but I want some sort of a glow on my eyes. Using this eyeliner pencil from Nabla Cosmetics, I'm going in with Moon Dust, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners with this beautiful champagne color. Bad Girl Bang eye pencil from Benefit in the shade Brown. Going to place it right here, but not really doing a wing. Just right there. And also a little bit right here. And I always connect that part. You see how much bigger this eye looks and more elongated? By doing that. I'm quickly going to apply some mascara, add some lashes, and then I'll be right back. Lashes are applied. These are Opulent lashes from Lily Lashes, and I cut it, I would say like in half, and I use the first part on the outer part of the eye. And for mascara, I've used Stella Lash from BH Cosmetics. And now I'm going to do the lips. I think I am going to use Joyride from Huda Beauty together with MAC Cork lip pencil. Let's start with that. Still have to apply highlighter. I've never applied highlighter as my last step. Now I'm going in with Joyride. Hopefully it's not too dark. Okay, I do like the color, but I do think we can use a little bit more dimension. So that's why I'm going in with Influentially It powder lipstick from MAC. It's a very, very nude lipstick, but perfect to use it as a, you know, kind of like as a highlighter or to mix your lipsticks with. And last but not least, I'm going to apply a little bit of this gloss, which is from NARS in the shade Orgasm. Just a bit. Oh, it's super glossy, creamy. For highlight, I'm going to use Ofra Cosmetics. This was a collab with Nikki Tutorials, and this is in the shade Highlighter Everglow. I'm just going to mix these three. I'm using my precision highlighter brush from Makeup Addiction, and I'm just going to apply it right here. A little bit on the forehead. Going to set everything with my Morphe setting spray. Now I'm going to do my hair. My hair is freshly washed and it's a bit damp. First of all, I'm going to brush it with a Tangle Teaser. So I'm quickly going to blow dry my hair off camera because, you know, there's nothing really special about blow drying the hair. And then maybe I will go for straights or wavy or like mermaids. We'll see. So I quickly dried my hair, almost dry, I would say like 95%. And I am going to use my steam pot. If you guys want to see a more in-depth tutorial, hair tutorial, explanation about the steam pot, let me know. Because I'm going to do this quickly. This is my steam pot, and the first thing that I'm going to do is actually straighten. Let me just check. I still have to like get used to this thing. First, I make sure the hair is really straight and tangle-free, like that. And I'm going to do the same, but I'm twisting it to make it a bit more wavy. Just like that. And I leave it like this. If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool, and I'm like, yes, ma'am. Hair is done, makeup is done. I'm going to change my outfit and then I'm ready for today. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!